A small step-by-step guide on how to fix your kitchen floor. If you follow my flooring advice, your house may look just as stunning as this. First, how do I know if my floor needs fixing in the first place? Well, generally, if your floor looks something like this, it might be a good idea to fix it. Alternatively, you can give it another 10 years. It's up to you. So let's get started with your tools. You will need a scotch tape, a steel tape, a brush, a Leatherman, a secret box, some paint, a spirit level, and a lid from a shoebox. Step 1. Make sure to get your dimensions straight before you start by using a steel tape. Step 2. Use your Leatherman tool for the perfect cutting job. As you can see, I'm using my limited edition tool. You can get yours at leatherman.com. Step 3. Use a scotch tape to secure your shoebox lid on the floor. You will need 4 pieces of tape. Step 4. Take a brush and start painting. Consider doing several layers. Don't go easy on the paint. You want bright, dashing colors. You want to make an impression. Step 5. A secret box. If you want to make your flooring job extra special, use a secret ingredient. Love. Sprinkle some hard glitter for a job well done and tell your dad how much you love him. Step 6. If you're looking for a smart investment solution involving your floor, consider breaking into your Mousy Bank. Take your coins one by one and hide them under the floor. Make sure no one knows your secret. Tell the mouse to keep its mouth shut. Make sure it understands. Finally, congratulate yourself on a job well done. You have to admit the floor looks amazing. By this point, you can see it has turned into a pretty astounding work of art. If you want your floor to look something like this, please give me a call or send a message. My prices range between $2,500 to $5,000, no refunds. Special discounts apply to the Wild Times podcast and Leatherman's fans. Don't miss your chance.